hair cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fight pretty like my
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from QVR, Queen Virgin Remy. They sent over this beautiful reddish brown 13x4 lace frontal water wave unit in 24 inches. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front, 1 on each side. It also comes with 1 in the very center of the unit. Also has adjustable straps here in the back, and then it comes with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. Again, this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit, but in my opinion, it's a compact 13x4. And what I mean by that is that you're still getting that 13 inches going across the front. But then as far as the middle is concerned, you get that 4 inches going straight back. But on the sides, it's like you get more so of like 2 inches. From the looks of it, it does look like this unit has already been pre-plucked, which I personally love because that means that I don't have to go in and do it myself. But I do think that this would be a pretty quick, easy, and straightforward install. I don't know, we'll just have to see. I don't know, maybe I'll even like do an actual style with this unit instead of just leaving her down. I don't know, let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Queen Virgin Remy. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be that the hair has a slight dryness to it. There's parts of the hair that feel really nice and soft, and then there's other parts that feel, again, on the drier side. So I kind of expect that in a sense because of the coloring of the hair. I'm pretty sure they had to like bleach the hair and then on top of that then turn it, you know, this reddish, beautiful brownish color. But I don't know, I just wanted to put that out there. I know most people aren't even going to care about that, but I did want to just put it out there for the people who do actually care about how their hair feels. I know you can also probably sit the unit in conditioner for a little while, or I want to say it's like the silicone mix. If I can find a picture of it, I'll pop it up here on the screen. I'm pretty sure if I sit the unit in that though, it'll help soften it up. And if you haven't noticed, I am a little bit on the sick side, so I do apologize for the way that I sound right now. My next con is going to be that this unit is not big head friendly. Now she will fit those who have an average size head, you know, the 22 inches and below, the smaller size heads as well. But as far as those who have like 23, 23.5 and so on and so forth, yeah, you might struggle a little bit with this unit. For me personally, this unit is sitting pretty much right on my edges and sideburns. Like my forehead portion of my hairline is back just a little bit, but I know when I go to remove this unit, I need to be like extra freaking careful or else I probably will lose some edges. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros, and my first one of course is going to be the color of of this unit. If you aren't new here, then you know that I just love me a good old reddish brownish unit. 9 times out of 10, no matter what texture it is, I'm going to like it as long as it's a reddish brownish unit. I will say that I do kind of want to cut this unit to like right here. I feel like that would be really cute, but I don't know, we'll see. My next pro for this unit is the density of her. Online it says that it's 180% density, and she actually feels like 180% density unit. You know how some companies will say 180 and in reality it's feeling more so like 150? No, this one is giving 180. She's very full and natural feeling, but at the same time very lightweight. I really like the fact that I was able to pull this unit up into a half up half down style without having to worry about if tracks would be showing in the back. I did want to do like this certain style to where it's like they like pull it up here and then it's pulled back on the sides, but right here they typically put, like, people will typically put concealer or something to like help define the part, and me personally, I don't like that look. I don't like the look of defined parts with concealers, so I don't know, I was just like, girl, maybe I'll try it on a different unit, but for this unit, let's just go with a classic, simple, cute little old half up, half down and call it a day. So far, I am getting a little bit of tangling towards the nape of the neck, and I'm also getting a little bit of shedding. Again, not too much, just a little bit. QVR did a really good job when it came to pre-plucking this unit. I did go in off camera and pluck it like just a little bit. When I say a little bit, I mean like a little bit. I'm also liking how the lace on this unit is blending in so nicely. The fact that I don't have like any baby hairs out or anything like that, and yet it still looks this good, speaks volumes. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. So thank you so much to Queen Virgin Remy for sending her over for me to review. It is truly appreciated. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this unit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.